I'm TJ, and I'm living, working and traveling full-time in this beautiful Airstream trailer together with my wife Sophia. I reached out to Rich Solar, a California-based solar equipment producer who's setting an emphasis on customer service, on helping you not blow up your system, on helping you reach energy independence. So this is Rich Solar's Lego set for adults, as I'd like to call it. We got their 800 watts system with an upgraded inverter though, because we want to be able to run our AC of the system. The next step is actually taking it onto the roof and mounting it. I was born ready.
Of course you were.
Give me a second. Yes, I've got it here. And now I'll just tighten this.
Easy as that.
This right here is the charge controller. I've done it by myself with the help of Rich Solar's customer support, whom I really annoyed a lot, I think, but they were always there for me. And if I could do it, I'm sure that you can. And I also really encourage you doing it.